when you take part in sport, what do you usually eat? What are some things you usually do when you take part in sport? Right? Please tell me to thank you. What are some things you eat? You said vegetables, that's healthy. Like what? What do you eat? Salad, a vegetable salad, sure. Well, today we're going to look at foods that we usually eat before event or before sport and after sport. Right? So we're going to our PGA that we'll be using for today. In the meantime, you can take a look at your books and check out. Good. So today's topic, we're going to label it as fuel for fitness. What is it labeled as? Fuel for fitness. Yes. So the first thing we're going to look at is high energy food. What's the first thing? High energy. What is it? High energy. Good. Now, high energy food would consist of rice, bread, pasta, and fruits. Now, these are foods that you usually eat when you want energy, as the name states, right? When you take part in sport, and usually take part in sports with consume energy, right? So high energy foods is what we eat for energy. Now the second one we have is high protein food. What is it? So then what is it? High protein foods. Good job. Now this consists of eggs, fish, eggs, beans, and milk. Now these are mostly made of protein, as the name suggests, right? So high protein foods usually help when we want to build muscles or recover muscles, right? Or when your muscles need recovery, like after an event, this is when you need high protein foods. Now I'm going to share out the handout for the Now, the handout basically has everything that PGA right before. So you will eat 350 meals like an hour or two before. Now, if you were going to take water before, right? Water comes get you eating one. Like you said, something healthy. So, I would say you should eat something healthy, right? Good. Sorry. Drink water. Yes, you always need to fuel up on water. Now, which one of high energy foods and high protein foods would you eat? Which one of these two would you eat before your creatinine? Which one would you choose? Would you choose high energy foods or high protein foods to eat before your exercise? What? Yes, that is correct. We will use high energy foods, right? And why do you think we want to eat? Why would you want to eat high energy foods? Exactly, because it gives energy. That's the whole point of it, right? Because you want energy. Now we're going to move on to post-activity meals. And these are meals that help with recovery and muscle repair. Good. Now, which one of these would you eat for post-activity meals? Which one? You said high energy food is for pre-activity meals. So, which will suggest that which one of them would go back? High protein food, right? And as we did before, let's talk before protein helps with building muscle, right? So obviously after an activity or you take part in sports, you would want to recover your muscles, right? You want your muscles to repair and recover. So that is where the post-activity meals come in. Now, and for the last and final one, we're looking at is fluid replacement. Now, fluid replacement replaces water loss to sweat and it keeps your body cool. Alright? So when you take part in this course, you get dehydrated. One way is very important to make you fat because you're using up all your body fluid, right? Sweat you're collecting up all of your body fluids, right? Good. So fluid replacement where you drink water to cleanse your body, right? You don't drink coffee, right? Coffee or any other help with that, right? Good. So, before we move on, and for our lesson, I'm going to play a little scenario game with you. Alright? Don't worry, it's something simple. Just test what you will form. Alright? Good. So, each of you are going to get a scenario card, and don't worry, I'll read it. And you are going to read it out, and you're going to tell me which one of these will you consume, right? So I'm going to give you minute or two to read it and figure out the answer, and then yeah. When you're ready, once we talk, right? You are spending what do you do? You are spending a lot. What do you do? What do you do? You are replacement. That's correct. Yeah. Yes. With the that is correct. So, I would like you to let you have a basic understanding of the concept. Is that correct? Are you sure? Good. Well, that is correct. If you're playing football, you will obviously tire yourself out and your muscles will be overworked, right? Now, before we move on, what muscles will you be working? If you're playing football, what muscles will you use? Your muscles in which part of your body? Obviously, your foot, right? And it assumes a lot of energy, right? So, yes, that is correct. Now, please copy your homework before we so take up the books and do your work. Okay, that's your homework. Please make sure to copy it and I'll mark next time. And have a nice day. Thank you.